Cealane showing you what's in her box.
What's in my box? What's in my box?
I'll let her do the talking because I don't know anything.
So, we're pretty big YouTube connoisseurs anyway. We watch other people's videos because we like to share the love. And I came across a YouTuber named Cherry Wallace who does unboxing videos for, yeah, aside from the fact that she's adorable, she's super adorable. She does Harry Potter subscription box openings.
Subscription unboxings and
Subscription box openings. It's really cute. And the whole reason that I bought this is the Geeky Craft Stuff. Oh wait, I wonder if this is, yeah. I bought so many I don't even remember which one I have coming yet. I bought a Geek Gear World of Wizardry box, the regular one. I also bought the wearable version, which is this one. I also bought a special edition, which should be coming pretty soon also. And then I bought some mystery t-shirts from the Geek Gear website because they had a sale. And I like mystery shirts. I like taking a chance. I like to gamble. I don't like to gamble with money, but I like to gamble with merch.
Gambling where you get something, like for those machines that say guaranteed win and you get like a rubber ball for like $1. Yeah. So you leave us something, you're like, yeah, I got something.
Something like that. So this is the wearable version, and according to the website, this one is supposed to have, I believe it's 2 t-shirts, and then either a hoodie or some kind of a pullover sweater, something that zips up, a jacket of some kind, which I'm super stoked on, because I haven't bought myself a new hoodie in a long time, and a Harry Potter one is like right up my alley. Plus it's supposed to have, excuse me, some kind of jewelry or scarves or hats or socks or something else accessory-wise in it. I'm so excited, and this is...
And she just can't hide it.
And I can't hide it. So this is the June box, and this is... It says no muggles allowed, so... I don't know. I don't know what's supposed to have in it. I think I took like a sneak peek on Instagram to see what the hint was of what was supposed to be in the box, but I don't want to know because I just want to be surprised.
Now, I'll point out real quick. The front of the box has a cool little zip tie thing that you pull off. I've never seen that on a subscription box before. That's kind of cool.
And I keep hearing that it's super satisfying, but I'm like going to find out for myself because I'm going to do it.
Because she won't let me post our really satisfying videos.
Yeah, where you really get to see what's in the box.
Yeah, but she won't let me post those videos.
Oh, and it's got the house crest.
YouTube won't let us post those. House crest.
This me, Slytherin, some sort of snake. So, without further ado, since we yammered on about the boxes of all kinds, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do it. This is my first one. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So, ooh,
and it already shows like other thing about.
It's got purple stuff in it. I like it.
Got OJ, purple stuff, Sunny D.
Oh my god! And it's.
That is cute.
What?
It is a...
That's not a Harry Potter thing.
That's not Harry Potter at all.
That is adorable.
It is a pin. They're pins. P-I-N-Z. A Geek Gear exclusive.
I'm surprised. I'm surprised to see that in there, but it is really, really, really cute.
As a fan of packaging, the way that's presented... Since
oh, this is the mystery shirts one.
Oh.
It says wearable.
Wearable. Well, it is wearable.
Okay. So I'm confused as to what this is. I thought maybe this is the mystery shirts thing that I ordered, but I have no idea.
That's a great presentation package-wise.
Yes, because, I see other things in here that are not Harry Potter, so...
Harold Potter.
It's mystery past shirts from the Geek Gear website. And I'm really excited because I saw a lot of... I've watched pretty much every... Cherry Wallace video where she, at least from the last year, if not a little longer than that, all the past unboxings, and I've looked at all the shirts and I went, oh, I can't get that one. Oh, I can't get that one because I'm like, t-shirts. That's my thing. And this looks like, I can already tell that there might be something I might squee a little because I can see already. I'm like, oh my god. So, shall I?
Yep.
Shall I? This one And I should add, too, I ordered all my shirts in 2XL because I hear that the European sizes run a little bit different, maybe a little smaller than the American sizes. And I wanted to make sure that my shirts are roomy because I don't like my stuff form-fitting.
Because we're fat Americans.
So this, let me do like she does.
Here, I'm going to move.
Like this. She always does the over the arm, and then this is really cute. So this is supposed to be like the Honeydukes, from what I...
That's their candy.
What's the candy shop that is represented in a Hogsmeade, and that is freaking adorable. I don't have very many purple shirts. Actually, I don't. I'm gonna wear any. I'm gonna wear these to work, and I'm not even kidding you. People are gonna be like, "What's that?" And none of your business. So, it's gonna be nice.
So there's the candy shop where they won't lick your lollipop.
And she was right. The shirts are really soft. Feel that material. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait.
We'll have to name drop her.
Oh, bad.
We'll post a link to Cherry Wallace's channel at the end of this video.
Yes. I owe this all to her because if it wasn't for her unboxing videos, I would never have subscribed. So, Geek Gear, all this money you're getting from me, you owe it to Cherry Wallace. And
you owe it to her now.
Oh, that's a Death Eater. That's the Death Eater shirt that was in, like, one of the most recent boxes, I think. I can't remember exactly which one it was. But I really like the design because it's bright and kind of... It's supposed to be kind of a menacing design, but the fact that they do it in, like, those bright neon colors makes it super cool. I like it. And I like it.
Are you threatening me?
And I like it. And, I should give this one to you. Because you've seen the movie, so you know.
I've seen fantastic breasts.
Fantastic.
And where to touch them.
And this one is from the Fantastic Beast box. I'm assuming
the Red Mane.
The Red Mane, Eddie Redmayne, the Newt Scamander. I'm not sure what all the characters, like the characters in the background. She was right, kind of. I think she's like, I don't remember seeing those characters in the movie, but.
She showed that one in her video.
Mm-hmm. Because these are all from the past unboxings. Yeah. And I got 6 because I can't not do it. So it was 6 shirts plus 2 free gifts. So this beep, beep, boop, beep, 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 boop, is probably one of the free gifts. And I'm stoked because he's my favorite. I love BB-8, don't get me wrong. Because he's adorable,
but
and I'm glad.
R2-D2 put in work.
But he's old school.
He put in work.
And then, oh my god. Yay! This is one of the ones I wanted. Because it's got the little cutesy Dobby, like little brown-eyed cow, sad face thing on there. And it says free elf. Oh, that's adorable. I love it.
Dobby.
It's a Dobby. I'm gonna wear all these to work. I'm not even kidding. Except for maybe one. Because one in here I can already tell I'm gonna end up having to pass along to somebody.
She's gonna wear them all at once.
I'm gonna do wardrobe changes like in an award ceremony.
Like REM back in the late 80s or early 90s when they got a Video Music Award. Michael Stipe. Don't you have that shirt?
This one?
Yeah.
No. This is the Sword of Gryffindor.
It's all satanic.
It's not satanic. This is I'm not a Gryffindor, I'm a Slytherin, but this Sword of Gryffindor presents itself to any worthy Gryffindor house member that's in need of it, and it's been featured throughout many of the Harry Potter movies, and he's only seen the first one all the way through, so he doesn't know. He'll watch Chamber of Secrets with me, and then he'll get it, how important this Shiza is right here.
Those movies are like 2.5, 3 hours each, and they're not even Marvel movies.
The real fans don't care.
I'm not a real fan.
Mm-hmm.
That's why this is her video.
This is why it's my video.
Do 2 of these now? That shirt? Is that the second one of those?
I think it's the exact same design.
It is. So real quick, I gotta throw it out there. We don't watch Rick and Morty, and everyone tells us to watch it, and even on Practical Jokers wears Rick and Morty shirts. Yeah, I've never watched... I've seen, half of a Rick and Morty, or, 1.5, but...
Good thing is, because there's so many people out there that like this, I shouldn't have any problems finding somebody to take it off my hands. Both of them, actually. Because do we have another one that's an extra
Is it
large?
at my house? Did you stick it with me? Or... Anyway,
I don't remember.
We have 2 of these now.
We have 2, but it's this design right here. So it's Rick and Morty. They weren't all supposed to be Harry Potter themed shirts.
We should start watching Rick and Morty, and then we'll have shirts that match.
That's actually not a bad idea.
We
I
might.
don't know. I don't know how keen I am to watch Rick and Morty, but
We never. Yeah, we barely watch
Well-
The Simpsons, and I love The Simpsons. Like I watch it all kinds on my own.
and
But
keeping in that same theme here is the
they
other
didn't.
free gift that came with the shirts.
Well, that is cool.
A Rick and Morty print. A poster print. It's small. It's a little chinged out right here, but
It's
that's
a
because the box got a little
Gear
chinged out.
exclusive. We'll probably watch a few. Like they're short. Like I don't have a big attention span. I could watch a bunch of Rick and Morty at the time it'd take me to watch a Harry Potter.
So once we make our way through all of the back episodes of Lip Sync Battle, which is kind of our thing now, and some past episodes of Jerry Springer, not whole episodes, just mostly like the you're really a man. What?
Jerry
And then-
Springer's dope.
And then splash.
Because Jerry Springer, it makes you realize, like, see, at least we're not that effed up.
Yeah, it makes us feel a lot less dysfunctional.
It makes
which
us
is
feel good
nice.
about ourselves. It's like picking on somebody.
It's free therapy. It really is.
Therapy.
It's like, see, it could always be worse. You could be those people, and then it's like, yeah, that's true. I should be very thankful.
What would it take to get the rest of these? Like, this would be a whole cool set to have.
I don't know.
So,
And we'll order more boxes. I don't know. I don't know how much boxes I could get. I've already ordered. This is like one of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'll watch
4 boxes.
I would gladly watch her chase boxes. Watch her. I'm gonna watch.
If I had any desire to.
I'm gonna watch her chase boxes.
I've always been curious about boxes, but never curious enough to actually chase them. And that should have been a ba-dum-ts.
Oh, I got one of those. Here we go. Wait.
Thank you, folks. I'll be here all week. Try the veal. Anyway, yes. So, this is my first official Geek Gear unboxing video, and I'm super stoked. On pretty much everything except for the Rick and Morty, but then that's the chance that you take when you get a mystery, when you get a
Maybe I'll start
blind box.
I'm thinking maybe I'll just watch Rick and Morty the days that I have lad and I don't know what to do, and then I'll tell you if it's good or not. Because people think it's good, so it must be good. Like people whose opinion I trust, like Brian Quinn. Like I don't even know.
People think Stranger Things is good, but you won't watch that because you don't have the attention span.
I should watch Stranger Things. I'll watch Stranger
There's
Things.
like a really long list of stuff that he's supposed to be watching.
But I won't watch 13 Reasons Why. You can take that and
No.
you can take that and
I originally started watching the series so that I could, trash talk it, but then I'm one of those like emotionally invested people and I got hooked and I did actually cry real tears. So it's not something
I already watched American History X. I don't need to watch. I have Facebook. I hear enough messed up stuff as it is. I don't need to watch it like dramatically acted out when I can just like. Anyway. Box. World of Wizardry. You're supposed to tell them.
Yes.
Geek
It
Gear.
is the Geek Gear World of Wizardry subscription box.
World of Wizardry wearable. World of Wizardry. Say it fast. World of Wizardry.
So this one I was originally under the impression that it was because they sell a wearable version of the collector's box. This one happens to be the mystery shirts because they had like a flash sale and that's what I got. So I ended up with 6 t-shirts that were supposed to be from past unboxings. But I also have... Right. I also have 3 more boxes coming, so we'll have lots more of these to share with you guys. And another subscription, not Geek Gear related, coming up.
This will be a different video.
So we're gonna don't be surprised if you recognize the shirts in the next video because we're not changing our clothes to do that.
Because we this is as much filming as she would let me do today. Okay.
But yeah, so thanks for tuning in, folks. Keep like and subscribe to be notified when we post the next subscription unboxing videos. What's in Him Girl's box?
Yep. Because this looks like this
We're
might...
thinking we might call it that. I don't know.
Yeah, we're thinking about launching a new channel of Cealane's unboxings. So you can see what's in my chick's box.
Dobby. He's so cute. Dobby, R.I.P. Spoiler alert. Anybody that's watching this has probably already seen all the movies.
Harold.
Except for you.
Yep.
But he already knows.
I already know he dies because all I have to do is watch Watch Mojo countdowns. So, thank you for watching my girlfriend, my fiance, my future wife look in her box. I can't get enough of that. I can't get enough of it.
I can.